Hi kids, how are you guys doing today? I wanted to, just start by saying I know art club has not been as regular as I wanted it to. Marking everything digitally just started taking a lot more time than I thought it was going to. This year has been kind of a struggle for everybody. So, I thought I would just do a little video just kind of to touch base with you guys. I would really like to do a Zoom call at some point just to kind of like see everybody together. But in the meantime, I thought I would kind of take this opportunity to assign um, a little like art club project, okay? So, what I would like you guys to do is, you know, all that supplies that I told you guys to get? Okay, I want you guys to get it all together. I also want you guys to start looking for items that are either in your recycling bin or things that you were maybe going to throw out that still have like some purpose to them. We're going to make a found art sculpture, okay? The only rule is that you can't use anything dangerous, okay? So like no sharp objects, nothing with skull and crossbones on them, nothing poisonous, obviously, right? But I want you to build something out of something else, okay? Something that was going to be discarded, something that was in the garbage. I want you to kind of bring life to it, okay? You are allowed to use all the art supplies that you purchased. So that means like if there is a piece of cardboard that you want to use and it's not the right color, feel free to paint that. If you've got glue, scissors, glitter, whatever you want, okay? But it has to look like something when you're finished. It can't just be like a bunch of garbage stacked on top of each other. You have to actually make something out of it, okay? I have a couple cool examples that I'm going to put in images in the main part of our art club group, okay? And those are just for inspiration. I don't want you to copy them. I don't want you to look at them and think that's what you need to do. They're literally just there as like an example of what other people have done, okay? Also, as a side note for you guys, try not to use anything that your family is currently using for their original purpose, okay? So if you see a sculpture and it has like a bunch of cutlery in it, don't take your actual forks and knives and use them in the sculpture, okay? If that's something that you're looking for, there's lots of places you can go to get that kind of stuff for either cheap or free, like thrifting stores or Arts Junction or anything like that, but please don't use like your great-great-grandmother's fine china to make a teacup sculpture, okay? Like, please just don't do that. I don't want to get in trouble. But yeah, so that's what I want you guys to do, okay? And then what I would like everyone to do is when you're finished with your sculpture, I want you to post it in Art Club, okay? So that's our project for this time, okay? I don't have any examples physically with me, but I'm going to post some pictures that I think will kind of give you ideas, okay? I love you guys. I'm sorry we haven't been able to see each other or meet as regularly as I wanted to. And I am sorry also that our videos have had to take a back seat, but teaching has to come first. I hope you guys can understand that. My priority is going to be always the education of my students. And I promise I will get some more demo videos going, but I just thought this was a fun idea, a really neat art project, and I think you guys can do this without having to see like an actual demo, okay? All right, love you guys. Mwah. See you guys later, and I can't wait to see what you guys make. All right, bye.